Good morning. Welcome to your daily operations weather briefing. Well, we have some very unsettled weather coming to us for the next couple of days. As a very strong upper level low will be moving toward the Wallops region, bringing in a very strong system as it comes through later on today into the overnight period, and then some very windy conditions behind it in store for us tomorrow. You can see here on our current surface analysis, we've got a stationary boundary draped pretty much right over top of us. That backdoor cold front dropped south of the region yesterday. It's going to push farther north today as a warm front, bringing us a abundance of shower activity throughout the day today. Could even see a thunderstorm or two embedded in those showers, especially as we get into the later portion of the day today into the overnight period as the heavier rain showers move through the region. Currently out there we have a little bit of low cloudiness at the 200-foot level, another deck at 5,500 feet, overcast deck at 10,000 feet with some light rain falling out there, about 5 miles visibility with our winds out of the south at 9 knots, temperature at 47 degrees, and our relative humidity also at 47%. I want to take a look here at our radar. You can see some of these showers that are moving in currently into the region. Some heavier showers just off to our south in Northampton County, and we will see those showers become moderate at times as they move north throughout the eastern shore of Virginia over the course of the next couple of hours. Really not seeing too many breaks in the forecast for rainfall today. Looking like we're going to see at least some light rain out there throughout most of the day, and then again we're going to see some more moderate and heavier showers as we go into the afternoon, and especially into the evening and overnight hours as that cold front drags closer to our region. I want to take a look here at our infrared satellite, kind of zoomed out here for a continental view just to show you how large this system is, covering pretty much the whole eastern seaboard with lots of shower activity, and we are going to see again those heavier showers move in later this afternoon into the evening and overnight hours. Lots of severe weather in store for the south later on today, and we are going to see the potential of seeing some of those lightning strikes embedded with our showers as we go throughout the day today. Looking at our forecast models and what we can expect here as we go throughout the next couple of days, you can see here currently at 8 a.m. picking up pretty good on the rainfall activity that's in our immediate vicinity currently. As we go into the afternoon, this would be 12 o'clock this afternoon. Some of the heavier showers beginning to rotate in at that time, and we are looking at the potential of some lightning as well embedded with some of these showers as we go into the afternoon. If we are looking at any kind of break in the activity today, looking like it could be late afternoon when we see some very light showers. It'll still be still be dealing with some low cloudiness and a potential for some drizzle, but that'll probably be the period of time today when we don't see any of the heavier rain shower activity. But then as we get to about 7 o'clock, that heavy rain will move back into the region. We'll see some of our strongest convection at this point as we go into the evening hours before midnight tonight, and then into the wee hours of the morning, seeing some of those very strong showers with some gusty winds associated with them as well. And our best chance for thunderstorms will actually be during this time as well, about 25% chance as we go into the late evening and early overnight period. Early tomorrow morning, we're still going to be dealing with some showers, pretty heavy at times through about 5 a.m., and then we'll start to see a little bit of a break in the action. But some of our models are picking up on a little line developing with the actual cold front that will be moving through the region at around 10 o'clock tomorrow morning. Whether that holds together or not, still in question at this point. But that line, when it does go through, looks to carry with it the strongest winds that we'll see throughout this period as well. Looking like we could see wind gusts up to around 50 to 55 miles per hour as this line moves through the area with that cold front during the mid-morning hours tomorrow. So certainly something to keep a lookout for, because we'll likely see those winds subside a bit early tomorrow morning and then really pick up as that front moves through during the mid-morning hours tomorrow. Behind that front, we're going to continue to see very windy conditions and some cooler conditions as well, but we should be pretty much done with the precipitation after that line goes through during the mid-morning hours of Friday. As we go ahead towards the weekend, you can see really no threat for precipitation during the Saturday time frame. Looking out into Saturday and Sunday, could see a weak disturbance bringing us an increase in cloudiness Saturday night. Could see a very slight chance of a light rain shower during the overnight period, but not looking too high with those percentages as of right now. Looking at our next 24 hours, a lot of color on our chart depicting the very good chances of rainfall occurring as we go into the evening and overnight hours. We're going to see those chances of heavy rain throughout the late afternoon into the early portions of the day on Friday. Looking at our lightning chances to be the best as we go into the evening hours, but can't rule out some lightning this afternoon too. About a 20% chance of some lightning after 1 p.m. today. Then from 4 to 7 we'll see about a 10% chance, and then increase those chances up to around 25% after 7 p.m. tonight, carrying about a 25% chance from 7 p.m. until 3 a.m. Tomorrow morning. That's when we'll see our heaviest rainfall as well. Could see about 2 to 3 inches throughout the area of rainfall as after all is said and done. So very powerful system, bringing heavy rain, some heavy winds, and that chance of some embedded thunderstorms as well as we go through the overnight period. Those cloud ceilings should be fairly low throughout the entire 24 hours here as well. And then again, the heavy rain potential greatest later this evening between the hours of 8 and around 4 a.m. That's when we should see our heaviest rain throughout the area. As we go into the day on Friday, we're looking at a chance of scattered showers, maybe an embedded thunderstorm with that cold front as it passes through during the mid-morning hours, probably around 10 a.m. And with that line of showers, we are looking at seeing some very strong winds, possibly gusting around 50 to 55 miles per hour when that does occur. Those winds should be out of the west as that front moves through, and then continue out of a westerly direction throughout the remainder of the day, looking at very windy conditions continuing during the afternoon. Looking at our winds likely around 40 to 45 miles per hour during the afternoon, and then starting to subside just slightly by Friday night. Not looking at anything too significant for our day on Saturday as high pressure builds into the region, expecting mostly sunny and cool conditions during the day on Saturday. Well, that'll wrap it up for our weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. for a look at your extended forecast. Have a nice day.